Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Rouser-Davis and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm giving you guys this smoky gorgeous rose gold eye with this over dramatic wing. Like, I haven't did a wing in a very long time, so bear with me. So I'm giving you guys this rose gold smoky eye because you guys took a poll. I asked you guys, did you guys want to do a rose gold smoky eye or a green smoky eye, and you guys voted for a rose gold smoky eye that I was supposed to do on live, but it kind of failed because my phone, I didn't charge my phone, and it didn't save. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do it on YouTube for you guys, because I haven't did like I've been doing a lot of dark looks, but I haven't did a nude like glossy lip in a very long time. So I was like, let me go ahead and do this for you guys, and let me go ahead and do this over dramatic wing for you guys. Today I did use the Norvina palette because I have not used it yet. I had this palette since it came out, you guys, and I just haven't touched it. I've touched it, but I haven't showed you guys how to use this palette. And then I went back to the Modern Renaissance as well. I used 2 shades from the Modern Renaissance, and I used 3 shades from the Norvina palette. And I'll let you guys know at the end of if I like the Norvina palette or not. So if you guys want to get this look, stay tuned. First, I'm going to go in with the P.Louise Base in the number 4. For my brush, one is my Sigma concealer brush. I'm going to take my Morphe E8 brush. I'm going to take the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go in with the shade Love. And I'm going to use my Morphe M518 brush. Next, I'm going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use Red Ochre, and y'all, my palette looks a mess. Now I'm going back in with the Norvina palette. We're going to use Passion. I'm going to use my MAC, I think 217 brush. I'm going to go back in with the Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to use this dark brown. For the cut crease, I'm going to use my P.Louise, and then I'm going to use my ColourPop E3 concealer brush. And I'm just going to take this Real Techniques Instapop crease brush so I can blend the outer corner. So I'm going to go back in with those palettes from the darker shades, Passion and the dark brown, and do the outer corner with the Norvina palette. And we're going to choose the color Rose Gold, and we're going to put that on our lid with our flat eyeshadow brush. I don't know if they sell this anymore. I got this in Ulta, and it's the Japanese brand. I don't know how to say the word. I'm just going to use my NYC. The Buxom Mascara. I'm just going to use my Lash Dream lashes in the style Daydream. I just think you need like some banging big lashes with this look because of this wing. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lashes, do my brows off camera, do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So first, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Liquid Highlighter. And then, well, I'm going to actually mix these up, and then I'm going to use the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte primer. I'm going to use this both because I want my face to be like smooth and kind of matte, but I still also want that luminous look, if that makes any sense. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Spice Rum. Now for my concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Now I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now for our face powder, I'm going to use the Sephora MicroSmooth powder in the shade Deep. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Instant Pop Cheek Brush, but I'm going to use it for powder. My bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Queen Collection Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And I'm just going to take this doe color brush. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to go in with the Karity Blush Bomb Burgundy Blast palette. And you guys, they came out with some new blush trios and they are gorgeous. So you get 2 blushes and then you get a highlighter. And y'all, this is nice. Like, this is bomb. And I think I'm going to use... Yes, I'm going to mix both of the blushes because they look so pretty. So I'm going to mix these two. I'm going to put them on my cheeks. And I'm also going to use this highlight. Look how pigmented it is. Like, pigmented. This is my Morphe M501 brush. Do our under eye, and I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. So we're going to do a nude because I haven't did a nude in a very long time. So I'm going to use my Anastasia liquid lipstick in Script. I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in Cold Brew. And I think I'm going to do a gloss. So for the gloss, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty gloss in Diamond Milk. going to spray our face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I like the Norvina palette. Honestly, I just love the shimmer shades. The shimmer shades, like this top row is amazing. Like she did her thing with those shades. Very pigmented. You don't have to add water, but you can if you want. But I didn't add any kind of water and it was super, super, super pigmented. The mattes, I don't know. I do like the Love, like it's really, really pretty. And I like Passion in this one, but like what am I gonna do with the rest of this? And then it has like little shimmers, like I don't know. But I do like 3 of the matte shades. But if you guys just want something with like nice shimmer shades, this is a really good palette. I would recommend the top and then these 3. But if you're more like lighter skinned than me, you can use everything on the bottom. But I would give this palette, I didn't have trouble with the mattes at all. I didn't have trouble with the shimmers. So I would give this palette an A because I didn't have a problem with it. No, I'm gonna give it a B because I know I would not use base. So in this like gray looking thing, I mean I might, but like I'm not gonna be picking this up every day. Like I would use these shades every day and probably the pink one every day because I like more warm little scents or whatever. But yeah, these are amazing. Like pigmented. Like, can you not see that? Like really, really, really pigmented. Like so pretty. Especially this purple. Like I should have used purple too. Like look at this purple. It's so pretty. And make sure you guys push the bell down below to be notified whenever Kayla posts a video. But I love you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll see you guys in my next video.